Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to make a candle holder with this log. It is a maple wood. It's what it's made out of. It's actually been sitting for a little bit. We're going to put it on a band, so I'll cut it up. Let's go. Okay, the first thing I got to do is cut this down to size. So I'm going to go ahead and make it an even number and cut it down to 12 inches. So it's going to actually be 12 inches long this way. So I'm going to get started here. Remember 12 it is. Could use that piece. The next step is to cut it in half. We need to measure that. You can find a pencil. Okay, we've got to cut down to 12 inches. So I have to cut it in half. So it's gonna take a wild guess though, because it is a piece of log. You know, it's a piece of wood. So 3 to 4. About an inch, inch and 7/8. That should be well enough. Okay, find the best side. So it's going to slide through, and whatever goes up against the fence, the best. Here we go. Oh, I get 2 of them. So it's going to be pretty nice. I can make 2 of them out of this. Okay, let's go back over to the drill where we're drilled at, and I'll go ahead and get these drilled out. Okay, we got the logs set in here, the half logs. We can make actually 2 candle holders. That's going to be really nice. So right now all I have to do is put some markings here where I want to put the candles at. Now, you can put the candles, countersink them a little bit more, like if you want to put them down in further, or bring them up, or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 end ones and take them down in further, so the candles will set down in further, then the one in the middle will set up a little bit higher. So it'll kind of give it like that effect coming over like this. So first of all, we just need to measure across here, and I got 12 inches. I'm going to do a 2-inch here on this side, and then come back and do a 2-inch on this side. And then I have 8 inches in the middle, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I do a 4, that will be the middle. I could do the same thing with this one here. I come over 2 inches, come over this way 2 inches on top, and then I have 8 inches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come in the middle is 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's on 6. Okay, so we got enough to put 3 candles in there. So what I need to do is just come across the top, because I still have to see where I want to put the thing at. I mean, where I'm going to drill at. So I'll put a little mark here, and mark here. That's pretty straight. I mean, it'll do. Okay, we'll do the same thing up here, the same way. Just kind of eye it up. A little mark here, and one right there. Now, we don't want them marks too big, because if you make it too big, they're going to stay on you. You'll have to try to remove those marks. So now we're going to take it to the drill press and drill these out. Set that up. Bring it up a little higher. Drill press always makes a lot of mess. Okay, here they are. I got a few of them lit up here with a couple candles in them. I have two other sets right here that I finished up. This was the other one from the other half of the log. And a couple just the regular round ones like this that I've finished up before. These got the orange in them. I don't know where we found them at. But probably one of the craft stores or something like that. But these are a lot smaller, so these are just the small ones. And then, of course, these are the lot larger ones, so they're two different sizes. You can put the small ones down there. They look just as nice. Yeah, I got these ones lit up here. I'll turn this light off real quick and you can take a look at them. And they look really nice, especially when you're doing a little decoration or something in your house, or even during the holidays. It really doesn't matter. So, okay, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.